we are looking forward to the announcement of the reopening of the Gurudwara Sahib. And once we get the green signal from the local authorities to reopen, we have planned is we have made a flow chart. How will the people will be coming to the Gurudwara Sahib? Rows of the people will be coming down to the basement number 1, and after that they had to pass through the sanitizing tunnel, and they will be checked through the thermal scanner about the temperature and all. Then they will take off the shoes, and then there is a zigzag kind of a way so that the people, there is no clashing in between, and the social distance is being maintained properly. And they will then sanitize their hand in front of the door. Then they will be allowed to get in and go by the stairs up. The stairs also we had maintained that 1.5 meters distance is being maintained by all the devotees entering the premises. This time will be the only walk through darshan. No sitting will be allowed in the temple. Only people will come, pray and just leave. Nobody will be allowed to sit, eat or do anything herein. No activities will be allowed. When they are going to do the prayers and they have to bend down and touch the floor by the head, we have put up one acrylic sheet on the floor so that once the 2 people will be doing the prayers, after that one of our housekeeping guys will be wiping out with the sanitizer, and again the next 2 people will then again do the prayers. Will be only packed. Nobody will be allowed to eat anything inside the temple, and only we have proposed is only the packed food and the packed prasad will be given, and the packed prasad will be given in these boxes. Before opening, we are going to do the full sanitizing of the building being done by the fogging and all. And after every prayer, every evening after the prayers are finished, and we'll be doing the fogging of the whole building again. Every day it will be sanitized. In our offices, we have make sure that all we have put on the screens on the table, so that whenever anybody is sitting across, we have maintained a social distance, as well as there is no direct contact with anybody talking to us.